I am walking towards a weir. It's a water reservoir to collect rainwater, and people do fishing here. Very nice scenery, and I'm gonna walk through it. Yes, I'm walking through the water. Haha, nah, I'm walking on the bridge. That's the bridge. So this is called Douglas. Buildings here are rather new developing area. Some walking path. A long bridge. The water level is now low, but a few months ago it was really high. People do fishing, and we got lotus down there. Isn't it nice? Both sides. Two sides, both sides, they're very nice. Walking across from Douglas going to Riverway. It is not sunny because it's covered by the clouds. Now the cloud moved, so it is now sunny. We can sit here, have some food, picnic, do fishing. It's free. Lie down the grass, feed the bird. Not really, but they do come and eat. I was riding bicycle from one side to the other, and then rode a long way to go home. Lots of riding. 5-10 kilometers. The longest that I have ridden was about maybe 16 kilometers in a day. So now which way do I go? One way, the other way. I'll pick this one. Mural. Art on wall. There's another bridge, smaller one. Some flying things, can you see? They are like dragonfly but different. Black. And they have double wings. See very close up. Actually, the other way might be closer, but anyhow, it's a good walk. Pedestrian and bicycle, we both share the same path. This is a school named Weir State School, but it's now school holiday, so it's rather empty. We have to wear a hat, glasses, sunscreen, otherwise we get suntan or sunburn. It says that no tan is healthy. Tanning is not healthy. So I don't want to get tan. I'm dark enough. And I'm wearing long sleeves just to cover myself as much as possible. I rode bicycle from home to here all the way. Very long way, 45 minutes. But today I'm walking. So far you can see no one. The Riverway Circuit Weir Bridge and Overpass Footbridge Loop. Total distance 2,775 meters and 3,496 steps. Meaning a lot of exercise, and I'm doing it. Have a look. This is the bridge where I just crossed. This is a big serpent. It has a story behind. Dreamtime story. Aboriginal people story. Big trees. I like the colors. They're covering the whole space. This is one of my favorite places to be. I come here quite often. Daytime, afternoon, evening, nighttime. I just come anytime. Later on you'll see a swimming pool, and I like to go into the pool even in the winter, and I was the only one using the whole pool all to myself. It was cold, but it's alright. It's a tropical place. The lowest not even below 5 degrees Celsius, so it's alright. This is spring. This walk that I'm walking is 1.5 kilometer, about 20 minutes walk, but I don't have to rush. You can go down there, the ramp, and sit there. I was there with my uncle and auntie just within this month. We spent time talking, taking photos, so I remember them whenever I'm here. It's a good walk. It says caution, snakes may be found in this area. Yes, I've seen snakes, but not here. This is a playground. You can play music inside, xylophone, drums, etc. It's called All Abilities Playground. This is a sports ground. People play sports, AFL, cricket, and I had my citizenship ceremony over there. A lot of kids because of school holiday. It is a good walk. So now we got a swimming pool. Down there is a small one. Up here is a big one. And it's for free. You can come anytime, any day. Well, not really, they close in the evening. Maybe I'll come here to have a swim. No smoking here, smoke-free area. Have a look on this. Now I'm approaching the Riverway Library. I like to come here a lot. It's like my second home. Someone is playing music. Let's watch it from here. show you the swimming pool. So this lifeguard station is new. It was not here a few months ago. Have a look. It's nice, isn't it? This is the library. And I'm going to go inside. We can push. Cafe. A gallery. And the library.